Come over here. The voting system's changed. Have you seen? That means 96 members of the Senedd.
That means I've got a lot of travelling to do.
It's not first past the post, is it? If you vote for Gwlad, is it a wasted vote?
No, it's not a wasted vote, because I think so many people feel as I've felt previously. Who shall we vote for? Because there's no trust. You know, we've lost faith in Labour. I've personally lost faith in Plaid Cymru, who I've been supporting for the last half century, because I've seen the work disappearing from the area. So, and then there's no trust whatsoever with reform. They promise something, but there's no guarantee that they'll provide it, which is why I decided to go for Gwlad. We're not career politicians. If somebody had told me 7 years ago that I would be getting involved in politics, I would have laughed, but it's not so funny now. I'm looking at things and...
But this part of Wales where you live, your patch, is things are getting a bit nasty, would you say, in terms of the political race and the run-up to the elections?
You've got tourism there, and you never, when you've got industry, it doesn't matter which industry it is, you never pull the carpet from under that industry. There are local people who are dependent on that industry. Now, the whole purpose of Gwlad is to ensure that the money stays in Wales. So when we've got home businesses which are dependent on tourism, then our policies will be adapted to account for those people. And that's where the main focus is, Gwlad, is on the economy.